that she doesn't even come back. And if she does, why would she want anything to do with me?
Ribbit! Oh, pardon me!
You're wrong.
Sorry, fellas, didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. I mean, it sort of rhymes in the fact. What?
Go on, get off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There. I hope you feel better now.
Whoa, hang on a minute, fellas. Do you mind if I hop off? Then hold back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, fellas. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There. I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, you don't get more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You got down in the milk.
I want to be left alone.
Just downright antisocial. Hang on. Sorry, got a human in my throat. Oh well, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let depression. I mean, I started out as a blob of jelly and went downhill ever since. I used to say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in frog's clothes. And one day someone's gonna come along and kiss me, releasing my energy. But then I said to myself, nah, who want a French frog? You know what our trouble is?
No.
Well, our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's a question of taste. But you mark my words, fellas. One day, ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport this season's look will fall flat on their ask your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing, for just you wait and see. The day will come when there is style, and then I guarantee you move. 5, 6, 7, 8, out there. Someone will love you. Someone will love you. What's that out there, just around the corner, in West Fauna. Someone will for you. Don't have time to sweat and see. Some will find me sexy in my way. Though it may take time to find a way to do have a home. Goes out there somewhere, someone's gonna love you. What's that?
Do you believe that?
Of course. If I didn't, my eyes would just check it all in and donate my legs to gastronomic research. I'm telling you, fellas, they'll look on the sunny side of the lily pad. Features have a few redeeming features, so why not let your better point shine forth?
Mouth that runs from east to west is bound to make you look depressed. It's better if the corners both point north.
Now that's the idea. So don't go in hiding, there's no need for disguise.
listen.